Hi everybody, here is Saima from Meroz Khan Blogger, and today in this video tutorial I want to show you how to fix a common occurring error at WordPress when you are posting or publishing a new page or making some edit on your website. It throw the following error, that is the response is not a valid JSON response. So in this video tutorial we will see how to fix this one. There are multiple ways to fix this one. First one is switch to classic editor. Second one is do necessary settings to SSL, and third one is most newly one and maybe fixed your problem 100%, that is mod security. That is a new feature enabled in hosting accounts. So see step-by-step procedure to solve this one. Here is my website and I was facing the same error before 2 days ago, and I have made all necessary changes to fix this one. So the first one that is need to do is add new plugin and search for classic editor. As you can see that at new versions of WordPress, the editor is block editor, so it creating problem. Maybe it is due to the mixed content error or something else, but you have to install this one if you want to work on classic editor. But some people don't like to work on classic editor and they like block editor, so they don't want to switch post editing to classic editor. So if you want to work on it, you can activate it and install it, and maybe it will solve your problem. Another one is sometimes you enable SSL at your WordPress website, and the content that has been posted before the activation of SSL certificate create content mix error. So to solve this one, you also have to install the plugin Real Simple SSL. So after installing and activating it, you have to make really simple SSL certificate SSL. So this is really simple SSL by really simple plugins. So you have to install it, and after this one, you have to move to the plugin settings. Settings. Install plugins, and from there you can see the SSL certificate settings for your sites. From here you can simply click on settings, and here you can see that these boxes will be unchecked for you, like this one. They will be disabled. So you have to enable all of these by simply clicking on this one and enable all these. So after enabling all these, you have to save the changes. But after if you don't want to switch to classic editor and also really simple SSL certificate doesn't solve your problem, then you have to check in your cPanel account whether mod security is not enabled for your website. So simply you have to click on cPanel, and here a lot of features are available in cPanel. So you have to search for mod security and this will be open. So this is currently on for my site. So mod security is enabled for all of your domains. You can disable mod security for your domains. So basically it is for security purposes, but it is causing additional errors of posting and reposting, etc. So you have to disable it, and I will disable all. So I have done this for my fix and it probably worked. So I have shared with you people. Hopefully you people will like this video, and if you like this video, please share it and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for your interest.